I want to watch the door so the cat doesn't get out. You want some? I just don't want the sunlight on me, okay? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on there, little guy. There you go. Can I feed him more? I want to pet you. You're going to eat my hand. You're pretty. I'll get you more. Give me a sec, okay? You gonna be my birdie over there? Fucking creepy bastard. There you're screaming at me. I don't know. I'll get you more. Hold on a second. I got some big crust coming for you. There we go. Okay, you stay there, birdie. Stupid sunlight. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm gonna feed you. I'm gonna feed you. Whoop. Hold on. Hold on a second. You're gonna have to chew that. Oh my shit. I guess you don't have to chew it, just swallow it. Just swallow it, right? Don't nip my finger. That's all we got, buddy. Look. That was pretty cool. Huh? Whoa! We have a family of birds. Come inside. Oh. Oh.
This one's talented, the other one doesn't know what the fuck's going on. That one's a lot fatter.
Sorry, buddy, I got nothing else for you. You're like my new bird.